Hey there, future certified coders. Are you ready to tackle one of the most critical topics in the CPC exam, evaluation and management? Don't worry, we will break down into easy steps. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident about understanding and applying E&M codes like a pro. So, let's dive in. Before starting, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Let's start with the purpose of E&M guidelines. E&M codes describe face-to-face services provided by healthcare professionals to patients or their families. E&M guidelines are divided into several categories based on place of service, one of the main keyword in E&M questions. Place of service. We need to look for place of service in the given question to narrow down to the correct answer. Here is the list of places of service. Office visit. Here the physician provides E&M service in an office, clinic of an outpatient. Next, hospital inpatient and observation care services. Whenever the patient is admitted into hospital or observation care, we need to code from this category. Third is consultations. What is meant by consultations? When the patient is referred by one physician to other physician, the provider service is a consultation service. Next place of service is emergency department services. Emergency department provides immediate medical care for patients with injuries that require immediate attention. Coming to nursing facility services. These services are provided to older patients, means residential care of old patients. Next up is home or residence service. These are the services provided in a patient's home or other residence. Prolonged services. This category of codes are used when the service is provided to a patient beyond the time covered by the primary E&M code. Other important services from exam point of view are critical care services and preventive services. After place of service, next comes the new or established patient. We need to determine whether the patient is a new patient or established patient. How will you determine? Let's see. New patient is the patient who is not seen by physician of same specialty or subspecialty of same group within the 3 past years. Next is established patient is who is seen by the physician of same specialty or subspecialty within same group in the past years. So if a patient saw cardiologist in 2022 and in 2024, he is an established patient. If patient is seen in 2022 and again 2026, he will become new patient. If he sees neurology in 2022 and 2024 came for cardiology, he is a new patient. If the patient is he is considered coming for second opinion as new patient. Means same specialty, subspecialty and with 3 years established patient, different specialty, or more than 3 years new patient. There is no distinction between new and established patient in emergency services and also in inpatient, observation care services, nursing facility. In these services codes are divided based on initial, subsequent and discharge services. An initial service is reported for first-time professional care by the same specialty group in hospital setting. Any further visit is coded to subsequent service. In questions they will code the E&M service provided on the second day of hospital stay. We need to code to subsequent services. Next important and crucial component of E&M service is level of M, D, M and total time of E&M service. 1. Medical decision making, MDM, is based on the number and complexity of problems addressed. The data reviewed and analyzed, like labs, tests, or medical records. If less than 2 tests are ordered means low MDM, and more than 3 means moderate MDM. The risk of complications or treatment decisions, such as starting medications or hospitalization. Starting prescription drugs means moderate M, D, M and patient is hospitalizing means high M, D, M. Second is time. If both M, D, M and time are given in the question, we need to select the code based on the highest component. If M, D, M is higher than time, select by M, D, M. If time is higher than M, D, M then selecting by the time, select the highest specific code. So place of service, new or established patient, M, D, M and time are the 3 crucial elements in E&M while selecting the code. In further videos we will discuss in detail about each element, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, bye.